What's going on, guys? Astro with Hidden Profits Crypto here. Before we get today's video started, as usual, I want to give a huge thanks to everybody who's been supporting the channel. We're real close to 2,500 subs, so if you guys could help me get there, I would appreciate it a ton. If you are new, welcome. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure to do so. We upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We show low cap altcoins, hidden gems, and other great projects. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, guys, so today we're gonna just kind of be chilling out, nothing crazy. I do want to stick to my Monday, Wednesday, and Friday upload schedule, but unfortunately there's just really not a lot going on right now. As you guys know, the markets are kind of in shambles, and I don't want to keep bringing you guys these lower cap projects right now, because I don't want anybody to get a little excited and put money in and just keep getting wrecked. Everything keeps going down, and obviously I don't want you guys to be going in with the assumption that things are going to keep going up. If you guys watch my videos in the past, or even just from the past couple of days, I have mentioned a few times that I don't really believe that we are in a bear market yet. So this video more or less is just going to be kind of a chill video. We're just going to kind of talk. I want to look at the market caps of some of these top coins. And then we're going to just kind of look at Bitcoin and a couple other things and just kind of talk about what's going on. So let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, so here we are on CoinMarketCap, and as you guys can see, everything is red. It is a very, very, very red day. A lot of people not too happy right now. I know just throughout a couple of the Telegram chats I've been in, everyone is kind of there's definitely an energy in the air today. I think everybody was kind of really hoping that we were going to see another run up already. As you know, or maybe you might not know, yesterday Bitcoin retested 50K, and we will look at that at the chart here in a second. But we did fail the retest of 50K, hence why we are continuing downwards. But yeah, dude, the market looks really rough. Like I'll explain a little bit further in, I'm not exactly bearish yet, but in all honesty, I mean, you can't ignore the facts. This just isn't looking good. I mean, currently Bitcoin at 46,389, Ethereum at 3731, Binance is down to 520, Solana's been going down quite a bit, Cardano almost back to $1, XRP almost 75 cents. That's pretty crazy. I mean, even Luna not really handling this too well. It's been going down too. So a lot of red. There's really not much green unless it's a stable coin. USDT, or sorry, UST, BUSD, USDC, really the only things green on the whole page. So this is kind of why I more or less just wanted to at least just put a video out letting you guys kind of know, I guess, my insight on how I'm looking at this. A lot of people are talking they're just gonna sell everything. Some people saying it's kind of over. But let's go over to Bitcoin. This is kind of what I'm looking at here. Now lately I've been seeing a lot of people talking crap about TA, and that's fair. They are just imaginary lines that people are just drawing and hoping. But when you're in a situation like the market is currently in right now, there's so much uncertainty. Nobody knows what's happening. There's no news or really anything dragging this price down besides just the simple rejection that we had here. So I'll zoom out here a little bit. In my opinion, we do still have a higher high. So this high is higher than this high, and this high is still higher than this high. And currently, in my opinion, we're still in higher low. So, higher low. And as long as this doesn't end up down here, if we end up in the 40,700 range and we break this, then yeah, my own personal opinion, at that point we would be in a downtrend. I still do think we are in an uptrend. We'll go out to the daily here. We're still in an uptrend. Yeah, we might have broken this trend line, but even with the trend line being broken, it is still a higher low. So we did get a couple green dots here on the cipher, showing that, you know, we could be at a bottom, but it's kind of obvious that this is not the bottom. I do think that we could see a retest of 4,500, and honestly, that's kind of where I'm looking for a bounce. I think if we get a real strong bounce at 4,500, retest that 50K, and we can hold up there towards the end of this month, I think that we'll be all right. But it is looking very, very hairy. And I mean, we'll even go over here and look at KDA, looking rough. Let me go down time frames here. So this is what I was looking at, and this might kind of look like a mess, but I figured we were forming this falling wedge, and then it seemed like we did break out of this yesterday. If you guys follow me on Twitter, you know that I posted the tweet of the chart saying that things were going to get spicy once we broke this, and we did. But if you kind of zoom out, this trend line here is kind of what we got rejected off of. So once we broke that $10 range, it's just been, you know, kind of down from there very slowly. You know, we're not seeing any huge sell-offs, which makes me think that there is a possibility that maybe this is just, you know, whales trying to kind of do like a last, like, shake out of weak hands. But I mean, you could continuously say that every single dip all the way down until you're in the depths of a bear market. So that's not always a good metric to go off of. You guys kind of know, if you do watch me here, I don't try to fluff up anything. I like to try to keep it real. If I actually genuinely thought we were in a bear market, I would say that. But just with the amount of adoption, we are seeing the most amount of crypto adoption really that we've ever seen right now. So the idea that all of that adoption is just going to go away, all of the new people that have been brought into crypto throughout the last few months are just gonna leave, and, you know, we're just gonna go back into another 3 years of going sideways. I don't know. I don't see that being the case. I still think we're bullish, but we are really just gonna have to see. So here's the fear and greed index, currently at 28. Yesterday it was at 27. And last week it was at 16. So you can see last month we were at 72. So definitely a big difference between last month to this month. But kind of the way I'm just looking at it is, you know, it's December, it's Christmas, if you celebrate Christmas. So a lot of people might be kind of stressed out, not only with just the holidays coming up, but also money. You know, with the C word, or let me just say COVID. I don't really care. With COVID going on, you know, you have to think there's a lot of people in positions right now where they might not be financially stable. Maybe they put some money into crypto and they need it back, you know, because Christmas presents or anything else that might be coming up this month. So that's something else to keep in mind as well. Also, I just think this is a month that just a lot of people are taking breaks. It is the last month of the year, and I do think the beginning of next year will be a lot different. A lot of these crypto projects, or at least that we look at here on the channel, a lot of the stuff isn't planned for the beginning of next year anyways. So I just really think we're just kind of in a dead zone right now with this, with just the whole market. But that's how I'm kind of looking at it. You know, my portfolio honestly is it's down, just like anybody else. But I'm not selling. And if I can find the little side cash that I feel like is worth throwing into a few more coins, I will be buying more Cadena and more Credo and possibly more Flux. But honestly, with Flux's Binance listing, I'm honestly pretty disappointed with the price action of Flux. We've seen it open at like $3.60 on Binance, and it's literally right back down. You see we're at $1.41. So this ran all the way up to $2.90 on KuCoin and then just came right back down. So I mean, I guess it's better for long term. At least we're not, you know, even further down past the dollar range. But yeah, so if we just kind of hold where we're at now, I will be looking to add to the bags a little bit because, like I said, I do still think we have one more move up. People are calling for the top. I don't know where you see a top. Maybe in a few coins, like Shiba, something that just shot straight up. Maybe the top for that. But I just don't see a top here in Bitcoin. Honestly, I just don't see it. Most of the time when you get a top, you'll get a large pop-off parabolic move to the upside, and then you'll see a large move straight back down, and you'll see this large peak. This does not look like a bull market pop-off top. I just don't see it. So that's kind of my insight. That's how I'm looking at it. If you guys are stressed out right now, your portfolios are just looking rough, just take a break, man. Just take a break. I know there's some content creators that are taking breaks. You know, there's traders that just aren't feeling it. The market's just too choppy and too risky right now. And then anybody who's kind of in right now and might need the money is pulling their funds and probably going to take a break as well. So I just think we're just in a bad mood right now with the market. I'm still personally optimistic and bullish, but that doesn't mean that I can't be wrong. I very well could be wrong. I could be saying this and we could just continue down for the next 3 or 4 months. But I don't know. I just don't see it. So I guess we will just have to let time be the deciding factor. Like I said, I didn't want to put out a video of any other project right now and have people throw money into it thinking that it's going to go up. Because I know as a content creator, there are probably a few people that might just throw money into some of the coins that I show. So, you know, with the current situation, I don't want anybody buying and getting wrecked as the market continues to go down. Obviously, it is your own choice, anything you invest in, but I do have a little bit of an influence there. So that's kind of why I just wanted to make this video and just kind of chill out and talk about the price of everything. So that's going to wrap it up. I didn't want to make this too long, but the market's looking rough. Just take a break. Keep your guys' mind clear. Stay positive. I think that's the best thing we can do right now, but also stay realistic. Don't get delusional. So it's going to wrap it up. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know your guys' opinion on the market. Do you think we're going into a bear market? Are we still in a bull market and just kind of having a consolidation? What do you think? Let me know down below. Make sure to subscribe. We upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.